Welcome to your C2COI account page. Here is where you will find everything you need to manage your account. In your account settings is where you will be able to change your password when needed. First, type in your password in the current password section. Next, in the new password section, type in the new desired password for your account. Once that is completed, you will type in the same new password in the next section. You'll notice under the Confirm Password section, a prompt will pop up stating whether or not they match. Green means yes, red means to try again until they match. Hey, all right, you did it. Finally click on the Save button, and then your new password will be officially updated. Company Details is where you will be able to see and update your company information. Custom Policies. When adding a new partner, you'll be able to choose the policy from our list, or you will be able to type in and create a new policy name if needed. This is where you will be able to edit those custom policies you created. To edit a custom policy, click on the pen icon on the right. A pop-up will appear allowing you to edit the policy name. Just click Save, and the policy will be updated. To delete a custom policy, click on the trash can icon. A pop-up will appear confirming whether or not you want to delete the policy. Subscription is where you can keep track of your current subscription plan and renewal status. To update your plan, click on the button on the right labeled Update Subscription. It will take you to a new screen where you will be able to change your certificate allowance and change your current plan. You will also see in this screen an area to plug in a voucher code. Here is where you would type in promotional or gift voucher codes for your account. Not that you'd ever want to, but if you need to cancel your account with us, you will see on the subscription page a Cancel Subscription option. Click there, and you will be taken to a new screen. In this window, you can explain why you wish to cancel your account. If you have the time, we'd appreciate your feedback as to why you are leaving. Otherwise, you may simply click Cancel Subscription and your request will be sent to our admins. Once received, we will reach out shortly, letting you know your account is removed. Here under COI requirements is where you will see a digital form for you to plug in your COI information. Match your firm's requirements in each field. Once completed, click the Save button. Email settings is where you will set your parameters for your reminder emails for your partners. You will have several options to choose from and will be able to select multiple options. For example, you can choose to have a reminder set at 90 days before and then set another reminder for every day after 14 days. You can also upload a file to be attached with the email reminders that you can attach here. Once you have selected and set up your reminders, click Save. And finally, the Payment tab. Here is where you will be able to update your credit card information. Underneath the mock credit card, you will find an Update button. Simply click on the Update button, and a screen will pop up allowing you to register a new credit card payment. C2COI was designed with you in mind. This user-friendly platform is here to make your life easier by allowing you a simple and automatic way to stay on top of your certificates of insurance.